Well, good afternoon YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. You say my name's Dan, and today I'm going to do a little bit of experimentation with my content and see what works and see what doesn't work, etc. In some of my videos I like to explain about my technique, my tool placement, the tools I'm using, the speeds and the RPMs I go up to basically when turning my bowls, etc. And yeah, I just want to see what works and what doesn't really. I've got up to 60 odd subscribers now in the first 2 weeks, so I'm really grateful for all the support that people show me on this platform. So I've just hit 2,000 followers on Instagram, and we're heading for 1,500 on TikTok. But if you are new to the channel, you can say I turn a lot of bowls, etc., platters, vases, and yeah, I'm just trying to explain my process. And but if you've got any questions, and say if you'd rather see me talking, explaining my my process, I'd love to hear from you. But we're going to get straight into wood turning. But I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you do, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let's get wood turning.